These are 8 top stocks in after hours with big percentage gains today. While watching bullish after hours price actions, let us inform you our review on ICCT. iCoreConnect Inc. is a cloud-based software and tech company focused on boosting efficiency and profitability in healthcare and enterprise businesses. With over 16 SaaS solutions, it's built strong partnerships across the industry, offering tools for e-prescribing, secure communication, and IT solutions for medical and dental practices. Now, here's where things get wild. iCoreConnect stock shot up 41% after hours following news that PG Solutions is planning to auction off substantially all of the company's personal property starting May 9th. Normally, that kind of announcement tanks a stock, but instead, traders are piling in. So what's the play here? Some might see a distressed sale as a chance for iCoreConnect to restructure, settle debts, or attract a buyer. Or maybe this is just after-hours speculation, with traders looking for a quick flip. Either way, this is a huge moment for the company. If the auction moves forward, it could mean a major shakeup, asset sales, or even a full-blown transformation. Expect some serious volatility ahead. This story is far from over. Our review on ADD. KULR Star Technology Company Limited is an entertainment tech company blending AI with the entertainment industry. Through its subsidiaries KULR Metaverse and SAM Group, it runs KULR World, an online cultural entertainment platform focusing on celebrity-led education, music, sports, and online performances. It also dabbles in concerts, consulting, and digital entertainment. Now, here's the head-turner. KULR Star stock jumped 27% after hours. That's a massive spike, and the big question is, why? There's no major news out yet, but with a move this big, something's brewing. It could be speculation, an upcoming partnership, or maybe traders just love a low-float momentum play. This stock has a history of wild swings, so keep an eye out. If there's real news behind the rally, it could have legs, but if not, this could just be another flash-in-the-pan move. Either way, buckle up. Volatility is the name of the game here. Our review on MIGI. Mawson Infrastructure Group Incorporated runs Bitcoin mining data centers in the U.S., focusing on self-mining, co-location services, and energy markets. With 2 data centers in Pennsylvania, they power thousands of miners, and now they've locked in a big new deal. Mawson just signed a major co-location agreement with Canaan, a big name in Bitcoin mining hardware. The deal brings 17,453 next-gen ASIC miners to Mawson's facilities for at least 3 years, with room to expand. Investors took notice. Mawson's stock jumped 24% after hours on the news. But earnings are coming up soon, and they're still expected to post a 22-cent loss per share despite a small revenue increase. This deal is a big step forward, but profitability is still the big question. For now, though, Mawson's got some serious momentum. Our review on CTOR. Citius Oncology Incorporated is all about developing targeted cancer treatments, and their lead drug, Limfer, is designed to tackle a rare type of non-Hodgkin lymphoma called CTCL. It's an engineered immune therapy that zeroes in on cancer cells using a fusion of IL-2 and diphtheria toxin to stop tumor growth at the source. Investors are clearly paying attention. Shares popped 18% after hours. That kind of jump usually means the market sees a catalyst ahead, whether it's regulatory progress, new data, or some kind of strategic move. If Limfer is moving closer to approval or commercialization, that could be a game changer. For now, this stock is riding some serious momentum, but biotech moves like this can be volatile. Still, an 18% after-hours surge suggests confidence is building around Citius and its lead therapy. Definitely one to watch. Our review on CDT. Conduit Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is in the business of developing treatments for a range of conditions, from idiopathic male infertility to autoimmune diseases like Hashimoto's and uveitis. They're taking a unique approach by repurposing existing clinical assets, with their lead candidates, AZD1656, a glucokinase activator originally used for diabetes, and AZD5904, a myeloperoxidase inhibitor that could help with male infertility. Now, the stock just jumped 17% after hours, which is a pretty strong move. That kind of reaction usually means investors see something brewing, maybe an upcoming catalyst, positive trial data, or even speculation around a partnership. Since biotech stocks can be volatile, it's always good to keep an eye on what's driving the excitement. For now, Conduit is getting some serious attention, and if they can push their pipeline forward, this could be an interesting one to watch in the life sciences space. Our review on TGL. Treasure Global Incorporated is carving out its space in the e-commerce and digital payments world with its Citi app, an online-to-offline platform designed to offer instant rebates, cashback, and AI-driven, personalized deals. The company is all about seamless payments and leveraging big data, using consumer spending habits to fine-tune offers and drive engagement. Essentially, they're blending fintech with e-commerce to create a more rewarding shopping experience for users. Now, the stock just jumped 16% after hours, which is a big move for a company like this. A spike like that usually means investors are reacting to something significant, maybe a major partnership, an expansion into new markets, or just heightened speculative interest in their AI-powered business model. The digital payment space is highly competitive, so the real question is whether this surge is backed by fundamental growth or just short-term momentum. Either way, this is a company getting increasing attention, and how they continue to scale their data-driven approach will be key in determining whether this is just a quick rally or the start of something bigger. Our review on XOS. XOS Incorporated is making waves in the electric truck space, and their latest earnings report shows why. The company, which focuses on battery electric commercial vehicles for last-mile delivery, posted a record-breaking year in 2024. Revenue jumped 25% to $56 million. Gross margins turned positive, and they even achieved free cash flow for the first time, a major milestone for any EV company. One of the biggest highlights? A massive order from UPS for 193 trucks, set for delivery in 2025. That kind of customer validation is huge, especially when paired with their growing presence as an electric fleet vendor for UPS and FedEx Ground. They also secured a deal with Caltrans and moved into the mobile medical fleet market with Winnebago. Looking ahead, XOS is projecting 2025 revenue between $50 million and $65.8 million, with deliveries expected to grow. They still expect an operating loss, but the company's improving financials and growing customer base suggest they're on a strong trajectory. Shares jumped 12% after hours, and investors are watching closely to see if XOS can turn strong order flow into long-term profitability. Our review on MYSZ. MYSZ Incorporated, formerly Knowledge Tree Ventures, provides sizing solutions for e-commerce, helping consumers find the perfect fit with its MySize ID app and other tech products for retailers. For 2024, the company saw an 18% increase in revenue, mainly from its OrGAD subsidiary, but still posted a net loss of $3.995 million, though that's an improvement from last year's $6.38 million loss. Operational costs were reduced, but liquidity issues remain, with the company acknowledging that current cash won't cover operations beyond 12 months. Strategically, the acquisitions of MYSZ and OrGAD are expanding its product offerings, particularly in fashion e-commerce. After hours, shares jumped 12%, possibly reflecting investor optimism about these growth moves. But MYSZ will need to improve cash flow and capitalize on these acquisitions for future success. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and watch more from our playlist. Thanks.